violation of legal rights of Urmia Lake's environmentalists. Since the beginning of environmental movement in the Azerbaijan region of Iran in 2011, regarding drought the Lake Urmia, thousands of Azerbaijanis have been arrested and imprisoned. In 2011, I myself was in the city of Urmia because I come from this city, and I witnessed the brutal crackdown on peaceful protesters in the streets of the city by the Iranian authorities. I was a student at the law faculty of the University of Tabriz, and some of my classmates were also arrested only due to their participation in the protest or for speaking up against the mismanagement caused by the government of Iran. But this pressure on environmentalists has not yet finished, and so far, hundreds of activists, poets, writers, journalists, and lawyers have been interrogated, prosecuted, and arrested by the Islamic Republic's authorities only because of their exercising their fundamental rights. Milad Jalili, an Azerbaijani rapper, Mustafa Golizadeh, an athlete, Karim Ismailzadeh, an athlete, Younes Golizadeh, an environmentalist, Ibrahim Asemani, environmentalist, Karim Madani, environmentalist, Muhammad Sheikhul Islami, a poet, Zulekha Qazizadeh, environmentalist, Muhammad Reza Muharrami, a football fan, Rughayeh Kabiri, a writer, Negar Khiabi, writer. All are few names among hundreds of victims who were subject to violation of human rights by Iranian authorities in Azerbaijan of Iran. Violation of applicable laws is important in Iran because the Iranian authority is violating its own applicable law. We're not even talking about the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. By arresting and imprisoning thousands of peaceful protesters, activists, writers, and journalists, Islamic Republic's authorities, including IRGC, police force, Basij, and judiciary of Iran, have been violating the following applicable laws of Iran in respect to the notion of human rights and environmental rights. Many of peaceful protesters who gathered in different cities of Azerbaijan, including Urmia, Tabriz, Ardabil, Zanjan, Hamadan, and others, to manifest their disagreement towards the water mismanagement of the government, which led to almost complete drought of the Lake Urmia, were faced arbitrary arrest and detention. These arrests are considered arbitrary because, according to Article 27 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic, public gatherings and marches are allowed so long as the participation do not carry harm and are not in violation of the fundamental principles of Islam. According to the reports and observation of human rights organizations, there has been no evidence of using violence on behalf of the protesters, and yet all gatherings have been crushed by Iranian authorities.